Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to part 3 of the meal prep reset series. If you missed part 1 where we planned the meals and part 2 where I showed you my Costco haul for $150 and how to make my grocery list, make sure you go check out both those videos first so this makes a lot more sense to you. You can find both links to the video in the description below. But for those of you guys who are new here, hey, I'm Akima. I show busy women how to lose weight while using meal prep and movement as a tool so you can never have to start over again. This video is really perfect if you feel like meal prep is overwhelming, takes a little bit too long, or you just don't even know where to start. I've been meal prepping for over a year now, and it's literally the reason I've lost over 80 pounds. What used to be something that felt like a chore, now is something that saves me time, money, and relieves stress. But the real secret is it doesn't take all day. With a system like this, you can get it done in under an hour. That's why I created this series, to prove to you that it really works. So the first thing I always like to do is prep my veggies and protein ahead of time, either the night before or the day of. But I don't do it the same time that I'm meal prepping. I have my chicken already pre-diced, I have my ground beef already separated, and then I have my ground turkey that I'm going to be mixing with my ground beef. I already put the mushrooms in there because I'm going to be cooking it all together. Since the eggs are already boiled, I start with the egg salad so I can chill while I cook. You're going to chop up 13 eggs, mix that with Greek yogurt, some mustard, honey to taste, red onions, and my Kinder seasoning with black pepper. That makes 5 servings. I portion it out into containers and then I keep the lettuce wraps separately so that they stay crisp. From there, I cook my proteins and veggies at the same time. One pan for the meat, one pan for the vegetables. That's really the secret to my speed. If the flavor profile is the same, I don't even rinse the wok. I just keep it moving. So for example, I'll do the ground beef in the wok while the bok choy is going in the other pan. Then I'll switch the turkey and beef mix for dumplings in the wok while the carrots and cabbage soften in the pan. Same flavor profile, no extra cleaning, and no wasted minutes. Then I move to the chicken and rotate the veggies through the same pan. Street corn, black beans, cauliflower rice, each goes in and out quickly while the chicken finishes. That rotation is what keeps me under 1 hour. Now the other big time saver is that I don't wait until the end to portion things. As soon as a protein or side is done, it goes straight into the containers. The sticky beef comes out, I build those bowls right away. The dumpling mix finishes, assemble it right then. That way, I'm not standing around at the end with a mountain of food and an extra 20 minutes of just packing things up. Everything cools and gets stored as I go. And that is a wrap for meal prep, y'all. Over this series, I showed you how I plan my meals, how I shop for them, and how I prep them in under an hour. This is the exact process I take my clients through in one-on-one coaching. When you work with me, you do not just get a meal plan. You literally learn a system that you can keep for life. By the end of my program, you'll learn how to plan, shop, and prep your meals without stress so you can actually stick to them long term. If you're ready to learn this system and stop starting over, apply for one-on-one coaching now. The link and all the information you need is in the description below. If you watched all 3 parts of this series, thank you so much. I really hope it gave you the structure that you have been looking for. If you made it to the end of the video, don't forget to subscribe so you can see what's coming next. And I'll see you guys in the next video coming real soon.